Would you like to know how to have boundless energy, stable moods, ideal weight without struggling, and relief from the symptoms of hormone imbalances such as adrenals, thyroid, PMS, perimenopause, menopause, or andropause? Hi, I'm Dr. Lorraine Maida, and my patients call me the Happy Hormone Doctor because I help them achieve these goals in a safe, effective, and more natural way. This is a multifaceted approach that involves lifestyle modification, nutrition, supplements, and at times, bioidentical hormones. Very few problems are solved by simply writing a prescription. Medications may sometimes mask symptoms, and symptoms are your body's early warning signal, and they tell you that something is wrong and needs to be addressed. Covering up those symptoms allows you to ignore those warning signs. That could make the condition keep getting worse and more damage could be done. The functional medicine approach is somewhat different. I like to use the analogy of sitting on a tack. If you sit on a tack, you're going to be in a lot of pain. You can alleviate that pain with taking some aspirin. However, it's going to eventually wear off. And when it does, you're going to have to take more and more and more just to get through the day. This can go on for a long time. The functional medicine approach would be to get to the root cause, and that is remove the tack. Your pain will be gone for good. As a functional medicine doctor, I see myself as a medical detective. Symptoms that are in your joints, your muscles, your head, or your skin can oftentimes be coming from other sources, such as your gut. Tracing these symptoms takes time and a significant amount of expertise. It takes years of postdoctoral training to gain these skills and expertise, and many hours, days, weeks, months of continuing medical education to keep abreast of all the latest scientific discoveries and new technologies. Medicine is just as much an art form as it is a science. And as an internist and functional medicine specialist, I spend a considerable amount of time with my patients. I have to learn many aspects of their lives in order to order the appropriate tests and to come up with a plan. I have to know about their lifestyle, their environment, their family history, their symptoms, what they've tried before. And collating all this information, all of the tests and all of that information is like putting together a giant jigsaw puzzle. And it's only when you get all the pieces to fit together and you take the time and patience to do that, that the picture then becomes clear. Sometimes I need to even source special products or consult with a compounding pharmacist to customize a medication for you. All this behind the scenes work takes time. Tests are always changing, and I research the latest and the greatest and find the most efficient and cost-effective solution so you get the best results that you possibly can. Sometimes it's just too challenging to do this alone. That's why I spent years developing relationships with a whole cadre of medical experts on the cutting edge of medicine. I have these experts at my fingertips and I can consult with them on your case. Imagine having thousands of minds working on your case. This is an invaluable resource. There's never one answer to all these problems. That's why when I make a plan, I have to take into account all those factors. And what might be right for one person might not be right for you. There's no one way to find a solution or to get to the root cause and to get to the healing that you deserve. But through this process, I can't do it alone. You need to play an active role in your recovery. Trying to make these lifestyle modification and nutrition choices very difficult and daunting without the right support. My team of highly experienced experts can support you every step of the way so that you can have a faster recovery, heal, and get the support that you need to make these changes and have lasting health. This is a truly transformative process. I invite you to commit to investing in your most precious asset, you. All you need to do is simply fill out an application and apply for a free clarity call to determine if this is the right fit. You deserve it. You can save yourself the time, money, and a lot of suffering if you act now. Don't allow the vitality of your life to slip away from you. Give yourself a gift. You deserve it. I look forward to working with you.